hidden features in Canva that you need to try. Now, starting with the first feature is called offline presenting. If you have a certain design that maybe you won't have internet to access to later on, you can enable offline presenting so you can present it to whoever you want offline even when you're not connected. So from the home page, just select the design and click the three dots option next to it. You'll find the option there called enable offline presenting. That is one of the first steps you can do to have or enable your offline presenting. The other things that we can do also include many things. First of all, let's say you're trying to add a text. This is the second feature I'll be talking about. Normally, most people just design this text, but if you want a circular text, what we can do is we can select the text, click on the effects icon from the top, and scroll down and select curve. From the curve tab, we can choose the intensity of the curve that we'd like this text to have, as you can see, and then you'll be able to make them a perfect curve or however you see fit. On Canva, if you have a certain, let's say, photo or video that you're trying to add over here and you don't want its background, and if you have got premium, you can choose to remove the background right away. If you select the image and from the top you can see background remover, you can select that, and then when you've done that, you can see it will be able to remove the background seamlessly without having to rely on third-party apps and services. These are some of the features that you might not have known within Canva. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.